So here we are on top of the ramparts of the old city, and you can see the surrounding hills over there. And where I just was, I'm on top of the St. John's Gate right now. And hear the singer back out there again. Fortifications originally built, to my understanding, to prevent an American invasion of what would have been Lower Canada. And a nice little view down the street there. And let's see if I can get myself into this shot here. And there I am, livegiveandtravel.com. Just on a nice long weekend break from the big city. And I continue to walk along the fortifications of Old Quebec City, walking up to the fortress, the Citadel. Beautiful spring day on what's called the May 2-4 weekend in Canada. Ready, aim, fire! Boom, boom, boom. Just walking down to the lower town now. It's getting humid today, and I'm not packed for this. There I am there with my brand new San Diego Padres hat. Pretty hard to get since they're such a great team. Yeah, we have caramel popcorn. They've also got chocolate flavored popcorn too. I will have to try later in this trip. And there's the lower town now. Much sunnier than yesterday.
Yeah, here we go.
Walking down into the lower town here. You can see some of the little patios are closed. This is post-COVID. Throw a lot of businesses out, but not the big box stores. Le pub des bourgeois. Cool name. There's a funicular. It's like an elevator. And we have La Petite Champlain, the small Champlain, first shopping district in North America. Lots of souvenirs and artisan crafts. Reminds me a little of Cartagena, Colombia, but with a French flair instead of Spanish. Flowers. Le Capitaine de Bord. Well, it's 5 o'clock somewhere in the world. Time for brewski. Ta-ra. Just having a lazy, hazy day here in the Champlain quarter of Old Quebec. And you got fantastic microbreweries here in Quebec City. And flip, there I am with my new San Diego Padres hat. I had to come all the way to Quebec City just to buy one, since they're like sold out throughout the continent, as the Padres are such an awesome team. And they're having a fantastic season. And they're going to win the World Series. Walking down to the ferry to go to Levi after a couple of cervezas, microbrewery. Still in the lower town of Quebec City. They sure love their cafe culture, very European. It's European without the flight. And arrêté, which is a stop sign. Interesting, because stop signs in France say stop, not arrêté or arrête. Always great musicians down here. Buskers, I guess they're called. This guy was here yesterday. Great musician. If I had that talent, I certainly wouldn't be here playing. Be in someplace, Las Vegas, New York, wherever. Electric Mustang.
He thought when he said, I read his biography, that when he quit smoking, he thought his voice would go up. But it didn't.
Non, mais je vais te prendre en avant.
Qu'est-ce que that represents the history of Old Quebec right there. A few tourists around, not too many though. Gets to like a Niagara Falls effect in the summer. If you've been to Niagara Falls, you know that means millions and millions of touristas.